Death comes between you and your possessions. Death comes between you and your memories. Death comes between you and your loved ones. How do you let go? How do you move behind all this? This is Peter Gracey, poet, and I'm going to bring you this piece I wrote called All This from my book, Citizen of a Hypomanic Mind. All This by Peter Gracey. First love, first touch, closing eyes and kiss. How do you walk away? How do you leave behind all this? Grandmas, grandpas, mothers, fathers, cousins, aunts, uncles, brothers, and sis. How do you walk away? How do you leave behind all this? The beauty of nature, the stars, the clouds, the sun, the rain, rainbows, and mist. How do you walk away? How do you leave behind all this? Perfumes, colognes, the smell of her, the smell of him, the smiles, the joys of life, and when ignorance is bliss. How do you walk away? How do you leave behind all this? Memories of childhood and the loved ones we've missed. How do you walk away? How do you leave behind all this? The taste of your favorite meals with your dates, your soulmates, the first crush. Let's reminisce. How do you walk away? How do you leave behind all this? The tears of happiness, the smell of rain on dirt and zinc, and the creation of a bucket list. How do you walk away? How do you leave behind all this? Hearing your laughter and seeing you smile, suffering your pain and walking down the aisle, feeling you naked and remembering your kiss. But it's time to let go. It's time to walk away. Death is here. So now it's time to move beyond all this. Will I be missed?